Okay, we've had plenty of days without rain, so I think it's going to be okay if we have one mostly overnight event, but that will continue into Tuesday morning and during the early part of the afternoon on Tuesday. That rain's going to come along with a cold front that's going to bring the rain into the region or our northern counties. So northern Live Oak, B County could see some rain as early as 5 p.m., but most of that activity will begin to shift south as we head into the 9 o'clock hour and then closer to Corpus Christi as we approach midnight. Could be anywhere between 8 p.m. and midnight, but closer to midnight. Here's what we're looking at. Isolated showers are possible ahead of the front. Then severe thunderstorms are possible along the front. The wind will shift out of the east-northeast behind the front, and rain is going to continue behind this front and as we look ahead to tomorrow. I've got this stationary front drawn out because once this cold front moves into the coastal band, it's going to kind of stall out and not be in a big hurry to move. And so that's one of the reasons why we're going to continue to see rain into Tuesday morning. It does look like, especially this afternoon or this evening, widespread rain is more likely across the brush country, scattered rain across areas closer to the coast, but we are going to continue to see this activity into Tuesday morning, and that may be when we see more rainfall accumulation across Nueces County. As for right now, satellite radar imagery, we see weakening storms across the coastal bend. We're going to stay dry for the most part until that cold front does make its way into the region. Right now, that cold front stalled out right across central Texas and into the hill country there. We do have a risk not only of severe thunderstorms, but flooding, maybe one of our greater risks. It's been a while since we've talked about that. We have a marginal risk. It's 5 to 10%, but at least it's something. At least it means we're getting some rainfall. It looks like we'll have about an inch of rain across much of that region that was highlighted in that marginal flooding risk. But some areas could see 2, possibly 3 inches through South Texas. A closer look across the coastal bend, again, lighter totals through Rockport, Refugio, maybe around a ½ inch or less. Kingsville, Alice, Orange Grove, George West, and into the brush country, that's where we could see those higher totals. Right now, 75 degrees, cloudy, gloomy. Winds out in the southeast, a tad breezy there, 17 miles per hour. Your time right now is 6:15. As we look ahead to the afternoon, we'll see temperatures in the mid-80s. It's going to be humid, breezy, warm, and rather stormy evening, turning into scattered thunderstorms overnight. But this is going to be some much needed rainfall. Again, most of today we should stay fairly dry. We pick up our rain chances heading into the evening after 8 o'clock here in Nueces County, especially. Breaking it down on Futurecasts, isolated shower can't be ruled out, but again, 5 o'clock is when we start to see a few scattered storms into our northern counties and into the brush country. We get a better shot of rain around midnight across Nueces County, and then that activity will continue into tomorrow morning and even into tomorrow afternoon. Breaking it down one more time, everything you need to know. Just a spotty shower possible this morning. Widespread rain is going to pick up late this evening with scattered thunderstorms possible. Those storms could produce 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour straight line winds. That's the main threat, but overall it is a low risk of that. We're really watching that rainfall, that much needed rainfall into Tuesday. Then we see a warm front Wednesday that brings a low chance of rain, but temperatures will be back in the mid to upper 80s as we end the week and start the next weekend. John Thomas, Barbie.